Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the cruise control panel. To enable cruise control, press button in the top right corner. Now accelerate to desired speed and push this knob downwards. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. Push it upwards to increase speed, downwards to decrease it. Press cancel to pause cruise control and press cruise control button again to turn it off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.